what there's a results. But the results are not correct.
Umhlaba mina sanethe mina nandlala ngizwe lakithi niwuphathile umhlaba mina nandlala ngawo mina sanethe mina nandlala ngizwe limnyama eyokhululo takhe engafakaza umtali uzuma nguyo umphathi ngumphathi oyonqobelo takhe iyolephathi umtali eyonqobelo takhe engafakaza umtali uzuma nguyo umphathi ngumphathi oyonqobelo takhe umhlaba wethu lo ngamandla kamhlolo ufumene ngamandla kamhlolo ufumeneke umhlaba wethu lo ngamandla kamhlolo.
Nobody must force us to say now this is what as a results. But the results are not correct.
I don't understand. Yekelani uzuma aphathe umhlaba. 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 We're celebrating love. We're celebrating love. We're celebrating love.
Nobody must force us to say now this is what as a results. But the results are not correct. I think the institution must satisfy us that they did look into the issues. The first time ever since freedom, when people arrested doing wrong things. First time. I'm sure we all know that some people got arrested. You don't know? You're not journalists then. You're something else. Journalism must know everything, don't you know?
I don't understand. Yekelani uzuma aphathe umhlaba. I don't understand. Yekelani uzuma aphathe umhlaba.